like-minded companies, leaders in their field, leaders in the chemicals industry, who in spite of all the pressures and difficulties are committed to make it work, to decarbonize, to make this industry future-proof.
How do you look at the potential benefits of a coalition like GIC? What made you consider being part of it?
For us, the GIC brings together in what is quite a tricky industry to decarbonize. Like-minded companies, leaders in their field, leaders in the chemicals industry, who in spite of all the pressures and difficulties are committed to make it work, to decarbonize, to make this industry future-proof. But it also gives you the opportunity to tackle a number of problems that on your own you would never have had the skill to do, or even the diversity of thought to do, because we bring very different thoughts to the table from Spain than some of our colleagues from the UK or from Germany or from other parts of the world, from Asia. And I think that kind of diversity that the GIC harbors within itself really improves problem solving.
So if you look at 2026, Charlie, any specific vision you have for where you'd like the Global Impact Coalition to stand at the end of this year?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, of course, we called ourselves global for a reason. Yeah, this was also the aspiration that we need to recognize. There are, of course, different markets, different segments of the industry. So it is crucial that if we talk about actually having real world impact, that we have all of those geographical representations there. And of course, as Maarten said, from a value chain perspective, so really looking at demand at scale is going to be crucial to the validation of these business cases. So one thing we're looking to do in this year in 2026 is really to have the demand side, the offtake side brought very, very early on into the formation of these business models, if we look at sustainable products, let's say, so that they can really bring early validation when it comes to the willingness to pay and so on, so that we really are able to work collectively through the GIC to find common ground here. And, there are platforms, I think, that exist that can have a good convening element when it comes to what needs to happen from a discussion perspective, but we are looking at what tangibly needs to happen from the implementation side of this as well. So this is also going to be really one of the focus areas for us this year.
So best of success for 2026, and thank you both for joining me here today.
Many thanks for having us.
Thank you very much.